Hello guys and welcome to this channel ProgrammingFever, and in this video I will show you how you can install Python latest version in Windows 10. So first open python.org. Now here you can see the Python latest version, that is Python 3.12.2. So click on this button and download the Python setup. So you can see our downloading is done. Now open this setup. Double click on this setup and don't forget to add this path, otherwise your Python will not work in your system. Now click on install now button. Now wait for a few minutes to install this completely. So here you can see Python is installed successfully in our system. So now to check the Python is installed successfully or not, I will search ideally, and here you can see ideally latest version 3.12. So here you can see the latest version 3.12.2. Now I will write command print hello world. So you can see it is printing hello world. So this way you can install Python latest version in your system.